Hi, this is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Great. Now it's asking me, do you want to change the default data settings? I'll say yes because we don't want the default there and we've done some changes to it. So it's just a simple yes.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now. Operation completed perfectly. Operation end.
Wonderful. Now we can put our data in, guys. Okay. So I'm going to say custom levels right here, and I'll just put, let's just use simple. I will say 4. Okay. Now I'm gonna click OK, and you can see, guys, it's generated the 4 data. Okay. Now we can leave it like this, or you can go into this manual add edit place to make more judgments and edit it as much as you would like. Okay, great. I'm gonna leave it how it is because it's alright, there's no need for changes. Okay, now all you have to do, you can go back to the add and say add generated data to drafts. Okay.
Hi, this is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Okay, it's asking me, do you want to change the default data? Yes, I do. So I'm going to say yes.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now. Operation completed perfectly. Operation end.
Great. As you guys can see, remember, guys, there was the full data there, and now there's not because we deleted the data first and then we put our data, so it's not adding on top to the data that we had. Okay, now we can leave the numbers how it is, or you can edit them if you would like to. Okay, now I'm going to click accept, draft, and close.
Hi, this is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Okay, now it's asking me, do you want to accept the new generated statement 1 and 2 draft question data? I'll say yes because that's what we just created.
Thank you. That is all I need to perform this request. Please wait while I perform your operations. Loading, performing operations now. Operation completed perfectly. Operation end.
Marvelous. Now as you can see, it's put our data into this place. Yeah, it's put it as default. It always comes to here as the correct data. It puts it as the correct data. Okay, now what we have to do is we can go to settings, then we go to training, then we go to training question generation. Now as you guys can see, our data is here in statement 1 and 2. Now the next thing you need to do is to go to question generation. Now before we put it into the system, we need to create the wrong data, okay? Because very soon I'm going to change into the trainee or the student, if you want to call it. So I'm going to click this PDF review, and it's asking me, do I want to generate task? I'll say yes. But if I say no, it's going to ask me, do I want to create the answer? Okay, I'm going to say yes for task. Or before we say yes for task, we go to no, and me as a trainer, I can get the answer. So I'll say operation stop. Okay, and I can get the answer first. So now it's asking me, do you want to generate answer? I say yes.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Okay, now it's asking me, do you want to generate a PDF document for your operation? I can say yes. Okay, as you guys can see, it's generating the document. So let's wait 1 second. Now, as you guys can see, to know that it is really the correct answer, you can see here for task issue 1, it says here no action needed, issue 2, no action needed, and so on and so on and so on. Now, if we come down here, you can see total statement 1 is the same thing as total statement 2. So as a trainer, I can keep this to know the amount. But as you guys can see, there's an error in statement 2. Not a proper bug, but you need to just increase the amount so you can show the you just need to increase the amount it's printing so you can show the amount section. So I'll minimize that. Remember, minimize. I'll bring this down because there's no minimize button on it. You might be saying, oh, it's showing here though, but it's not showing on the printing. Can you guys see this line here? Yeah, that's where the printing is going to stop. So I'm just going to click this, but I'm going to minimize it, bring this one down. And this button right here, page break preview, I'm going to click it. Then I'll enlarge it, make it more, and that's fine. And you need to do it a second time so it can be double sure. Now, if I print this, it's going to print this section, okay? So I'm going to go back to the original format, which is right here. This is normal, so I'll click it. Good. Now we're here. So I can print it again. So settings, or no, we don't even need to do it there. So I'll click X and I'll bring it this back up. Okay, great. Now I can just click PDF preview, generate task. I'll say no. And operation stop. I'll click OK and generate answers. Yeah.
Hi. This is Tamara again. I need more information. Please look at the next pop-up box for the question, and enter or select the reply I need to continue. Thank you.
Good. Now, do you want to generate a PDF document for your operation? Yes. Okay, as you guys can see, now the amount, the balance remaining here is showing. So that means it's all fine and well safe. Okay, so I can close this one because I don't need it, so I'll close it.